Hi everyone, today we'll see how we can create a drop-down list. Basically there are two methods. First one I'll show you in this video, second one I'll be uploading the next video. Let's see how we can create a drop-down list. For that I have taken a sample worksheet of employee salary details. So employee details are given and the salaries are given. So I'm going to create a drop-down list for the employee name, okay, on the column number J. So how we can do it? Go to data, click on data validation, click on data validation again, right, and then it box will appear. Click here and select list. Click, and after that you need to select the name of the staffs. Now click OK. You'll get the drop down list appearing here, right? Now you can check each staff name is mentioned here as a drop down list. I hope this video is very helpful. If you like it, follow my TikTok and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thank you so much.